My people, 15 years old girl will be Christian. They don't kidnap and convert them to Muslim and marry her off to one Castina kidnapper. Yes, when I wait till they tell you, they say these people, wait till they call it, the report come by Hausa Christian Foundation. I never hear this one before. Hausa Christian Foundation. Anyhow, now they bring the report. And according to them, they say the girl went missing for 2 days. Where the parents come, they wonder, say where this guy go, where this guy go. My people, after 2 days, that's when they receive call. The people who carry this girl call the parents. Say, hey, madam, don't bother yourself again. No. Hey, I know you've been looking for your daughter. She's safe. And right now, she's with me. The parents, when they say, I beg, return, they say no. Like play. 10 days later, they call again. Now, don't go believe. As the mama pig, they can't tell the mother, say, your daughter, we're about to do the wedding. Please, we need. Now, so the woman say, please, we are not in support. My daughter cannot marry. What do you want to do? Now, so the court call, wedding proceeded. As we they talk now, they don't marry her to person where even she herself, she don't know. She herself, she never see. Painful things everywhere. I don't know wetin dey work some people. I no just know. Like, una no dey in peace. If una no just look for trouble for this life, una come. Una no just dey in peace. Which one be you the first Christian to turn am to Muslim? You, as if that one not even there enough. You can't marry am by force to person, to kidnapper. Jesus. No, there's problem. Anybody where they do like say nothing, there is problem in this country. This one, I don't know whether to call a governmental problem or country problem or religion problem. Which one I go call this one? When I don't see, I beg. See, for because I know so many of you don't start the talk. Christians not they force anybody to marry person or to change your religion. They just they preach. Why everybody? I'm not just see. It is very normal. Freedom. I bet everybody gave right to freedom. If you talk to me, you won't convert me into your this thing, and I don't want. Why the team must bring fight? This is so disturbing. No, seriously, this thing they really disturb me. Before now fight. This one Christian no enter Muslim school, Muslim no enter Christian school. We see they try settle this one up till now. They don't bring another one by force. I'm very sorry. I don't know who this thing will offend my people, but seriously, if Islam, if we not do, because I know this matter now, I know they involve everybody. I not get problem with the religion. Now the people where they inside now, where they take this thing personal. Now my problem with them be that. And if una no do something, una name go continue to this thing, because these people, the thing where they do now, they no go to say some of them, they go refer to all of una. Now why bring her outside? Una need do something concerning this thing, seriously, because they don't turn una religion to many things, many inhuman acts. They don't involve them inside. Una need do something concerning this one. Hey, Chineke me, I know that. Police, una see police. You know go better for if you know say you be police person and you know they do your work. You are close to her too. You follow. This girl disappear. Una not do anything about her. And they just say even now una hear the whole matter. Nothing, you know, concern una go just do the by force marriage, by force. For God's sake, this girl na small pikin, 15 years old. 15. What did this girl even know, self? And up till now, as soon as they hear me, police never even move one leg. Say, okay, we they go Castina, we they go check, or we they do something. They never move one single leg. Make una stop all this nonsense. Make una stop all this nonsense. Seriously, this thing, na serious crime. Serious crime. You don't see where person they marry. And hey, Chineke, marriage kwa. 15. I know say not be new thing sha for their religion they do. But I beg, person will not carry now. He get parents. When I don't think of how worried they have been. And as me and you know, this girl they not go release her now. Matter who reach me say this same matter they happen for Saudi Arabia. They say by fire by force. If they just catch you like that, you must convert. Whether you like am or not, they no want hear your opinion, your side of the story. As they don't catch you, they don't want to know. You automatically you must become like them. Saudi Arabia, he reach me. Before they go see this girl, who wan bet? Before they go see this girl, she don born finish. She don become old mama. Like they don remove the youthful age out of her life before they go see am. I not to say free am. Maybe when the man don feel say okay now I don use you finish, now you have been planted inside this place. They go come say, yeah, let's go and see your parents. By then e don late. You wan carry the children put am back make e swallow am. E don late, body don fall finish, everything don finish. Na that time they go release. I know wetin I dey talk. So if they no do anything about am now, wait, e still dey fresh. At least by now, no sure say this girl don't even carry belle. Even if she carry sef, abeg, see, the matter still dey fresh. Now what bring her outside? Abeg, we need help. Now why una need share this video? Very, very important. Abeg, share this video so that people wey dey Katsina and fit do something, may they do something. We need to remove this girl from that place. And again, my people, una no say me, I know they do side. Make una do something concerning this thing, because some people now they don't date you in a religion. And if case not taking, it go bring another wahala. You understand? Abeg, make una help me. May we rescue this person. Very, very important. And why not? Start to drop the comment for that comment section. Anything where you know concerning this matter, drop it for that side. And subscribe and click on that bell so that you not go miss any matter where we get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.